Well, it's finally time for a homework example of how we write real-world expressions. So here's the example that I chose. Now this is set up exactly like the problems on your assignment. I just changed some of the names and the numbers. So this is going to be a good example for you. So it says that Arya and her friends are playing a game where they try to end up with the most money. Think of like Monopoly, right? Where you try to earn the most money. Each player starts with M dollars. So just like in Monopoly, you start with a certain amount of money. And in this game, you start with M dollars. So our job is to write an expression that models how many points or how much money Arya's friend has at the end of this game. And notice it gives you a little tip. It says the cards were received in the order that they're written. So it's like a game where you draw cards and it tells you how much money you earn or how much money you have to pay. So here's Ben's turns. Ben picks the following cards. Time to pay your property taxes. He has to pay the bank $100. Okay, so he starts with M dollars, but he has to pay the bank $100. So from this amount of money that he starts with, we have to subtract $100 for his property taxes, right? Okay, so this one is done. Next card he draws says school is starting this week. Pay $50 for school supplies. Okay, so once again we're losing money. So we have to pay $50. So from our total, and after we subtract $100 for our property taxes, we also have to pay $50 for our school supplies. Okay, so far this expression represents how much money he has after paying property taxes, after paying school supplies. Okay, these two cards are done. Finally, you get a bonus at work. Thank goodness. Triple the amount of money that you currently have. Okay, so the question is, how much money does he currently have? Well, this expression right here represents the amount of money he currently has. So we need to triple this amount of money. So in order to triple it, that means we take the whole amount and we times it by 3. So now this expression represents how much money he has after this succession of cards that he picks. Okay, so like I said, the example or the assignment is going to have problems that look exactly like this example, so hopefully you can just breeze right through it. Please come and ask me any questions as you're working on it if you have any. Good luck.